one simple method. It only takes 15 to 30 minutes a day. It's based on comprehensible input, but it actually pushes you to speak. And once I started doing it, my speaking improved faster than ever. The method is called LSR. What is LSR? Let me break it down to you into 7 small steps. Do this every day and you will notice a huge difference in the way you speak English. All right, let's get into it. Step 1. Listen without subtitles. Just 1 to 2 minute video. It could be a small section from a TikTok on YouTube. It could be seen from a movie or TV series. Listen carefully to this short video. Repeat it. Listen to it a few times without subtitles. Try to catch every single word. If the speaker is talking too quickly, slow it down for the difficult parts. Don't give up quickly. Listen a few times and try to catch every single word, okay? Step 2. Listen with subtitles. Now you're kind of checking the words and phrases you couldn't fully understand while listening without subtitles in step 1. Optionally, you can watch the video again without subtitles to train your ears on the difficult parts you couldn't get in step 1. By doing steps 1 and 2, you've covered the L part in the LSR method. And also you've practiced your listening skills, which are very crucial to improve your speaking skills. And you consumed comprehensible input, meaning you acquired a little bit of English subconsciously. Now we come to the S part, which is shadowing. Now we move from listening to speaking. We will practice shadowing in steps 3 and 4 in 2 different ways. Step 3. Pause and repeat. You would play the video 1 more time. Yes. But now you would listen to only 5 to 10 seconds. 1 sentence or so. Then pause and repeat it at least 3 times. More is better. Our goal is to try to mimic the native speaker and try to say the sentence at the same speed, rhythm, and intonation. Keep doing this for each sentence until you finish the video. Oh, this exercise alone will improve your speaking skills dramatically. Step 4. Echo shadowing. You won't pause and repeat. You'll just listen and repeat without pausing. Listen and repeat, trying to match the native speaker as much as you can. You can repeat this process a few times if you feel like it. Now we come to the R part, which stands for rephrase. Don't forget, our goal is to be able to speak fluently. While shadowing is a great exercise to improve your speaking skills, in real life, you can't just repeat what you hear, right? You would answer questions and ask questions and talk about things in your mind with your own words. So in step 5 and 6, we will practice training our brain to use our own words. We will do it gradually. Like when you go to the gym, you start with light weights and over time, you move to heavy weights. You warm up first and then you do your heavy exercise, right? It's true also for our brain. Consider steps 1 to 4 like light exercises for your speaking. And now we make it a bit more challenging. We make a quick pause here. Please, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps. Thanks. Step 5. Make small change. You would practice shadowing again like in steps 3 and 4, but you will make some small changes to the sentence. Start small. Just change the pronoun. If the speaker says, I go to work every morning, you can say, he goes to work every morning. Or you can change the tense. So you can say, I went to work yesterday. Notice we replaced every morning with yesterday because we used past simple tense instead of present simple tense. You practice grammar as well. Well, you can change both the pronoun and the tense. Step 6 changes the sentence entirely. Now we can make it a bit harder by using different words to convey the same meaning with our own words. You can use synonyms or opposites or entirely new phrases. This is beneficial because it helps you with the most difficult part, which is converting the passive vocabulary, the words you already know but you don't use while you speak, into active vocabulary. This is very important and is key to improving your English speaking skills. For example, for the sentence, I go to work every day from Monday to Friday, you can say, I head to the office each workday, or I don't stay at home on weekends, I go to work. You practice how to use your own words and say what you want to say. Make it a habit. Even if you're passively listening to a podcast or so, you can just repeat what you hear, trying to make a small change, expressing the same meaning. Over time, you will notice a huge difference in your fluency. I promise you. Step 7. Summarize the whole video. This is the most challenging part. But don't worry, if you've done steps from 1 to 6, it would be easy for you. After you listen to the video in steps 1 and 2 with and without subtitles, and you practiced shadowing in steps 3 and 4, and you made a change on sentences to convey the same meaning in steps 5 and 6, it's time to make it even more challenging and to start with telling what the video is about. Summarize what you watched in the video. Express your opinion about it. Speak freely. Or you can write it down and ask ChatGPT to correct your mistakes. But first, try yourself and then test yourself. Finally, you can stay in front of the mirror and read it out loud, or just speak freely about it. Try this LSR technique for 4 weeks and come back to this video and thank me in the comments. You're welcome. And if you're curious to know the whole story about how I used comprehensible input to improve my English, watch this video next. See you later.